Okay, so this is Beth, who's just finished the last day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Beth, obviously you did the first 2 days training a little while ago, and then we had a bit of a break because we weren't able to work on live models, and then you've come back over the last couple of days, and we've been ram-packed with lots of different models and different treatments and things. So today we had, this morning we actually had we've done lots of clients today. We've actually had a brows and a liner client this morning, and then the same again this afternoon. And we're obviously going to be doing lips a bit further down the line when face masks aren't so necessary. So how was it this morning, actually doing another set of brows and an eyeliner? It was actually on Nadine as well, wasn't it? Who we did the TV show with. So was it nice to see her again?
It was really nice, yeah. And she did my eyebrows and eyeliner a few weeks ago, so
exactly.
nice to see her again and get my own back.
Yeah, exactly. As you live in the same sort of area, which is nice. And then obviously this afternoon we had another client again, another brows and liner. How did that one go this afternoon?
Yeah, really good. She was really pleased. She was quite nervous, didn't really know what to expect and what it was all about really, but really pleased with the outcome. So,
yeah, she seemed very happy.
Yeah.
Recommending friends and that as she was leaving.
Wants to come back for lips and recommending friends, so...
And have you found, because obviously a lot of people in between sort of the normal training, just on practice skins and that, and then live model training, they can obviously a bit of a gap and sometimes lose a bit of confidence unless they're working on practice skins all the time. You seem to really grow in confidence from actually working on people. Did you find
Definitely, yeah. It just makes so much more sense and seeing it build up, whereas just the practicing on the skins, it's great, but it's just not the same. Yeah. So to actually see it in real life and also and the confidence, just from yesterday to even from yesterday morning till yesterday afternoon was so different. Yeah, and then also I suppose fly for interrupting there, and then also I suppose confidence also gets to go up when you actually see the reactions of the clients. Yeah, exactly, and just and they're all so happy, so which is amazing. Excellent. Yeah. And how have you sort of found, it's been obviously quite intensive, even though it's just a couple of days when you've come back for the live model training. Have you found that things have sort of sunken in then? Is there any things that you think that could be improved or that was missing or anything like that? No, not at all. It's all really, running nice and smoothly, and it just kind of consolidates it all, doesn't it? And makes it all make sense. Excellent. I suppose it's also nice to have the one-on-one training as well. Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't have wanted it any other way. Excellent, brilliant. Well, good luck. We'll look forward to seeing your models and case studies coming through thick and fast soon, I'm sure. Yeah. And good luck with the future, and we'll catch up with you very soon. Thanks very much. Cheers, Beth.